Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin Hensley, and today we're going to talk about 4 ways to prevent cheating within Google Classroom. We've been e-learning on and off for a year now, and I think the most common thing I hear from teachers is, how can I keep these kids from cheating? Well, I can't promise that I'm going to totally keep them from cheating. However, I'm going to help you learn some tips and tricks in order to make it a little more difficult for them to cheat on an assessment within Google Classroom. The first one I'm going to talk about today is shuffling the answers. And the reason why shuffling the answers helps deter them is I've taught high school English for 7 years. I've seen all the cheating. And one of them is kids will oftentimes make a key and share it with their friends. And the key would maybe say something like 1 is A, 2 is B, so on and so forth. And this will help because it will shuffle the options up for them so they won't consistently have an A, B, and C. And how we do that is, here is a sample quiz that I have created. I'm going to scroll up so you can see past my head. And all you're going to do is go down to these 3 little dots right here. Click on it. And notice shuffle option order. Click that. If you go back, there will be a check mark right there. And now you've shuffled your answers. You need to do that for each question in order for it to shuffle. So you'll go once again to the next question and do the same. I hope that helps you, and we'll talk more as we move on through this module.